The Pattee Library at Penn State's University Park campus has a collaborative commons that was built on the ground floor on the west wing. So this project was designed by WTW Architects and implemented by Alexander Building Construction, who has been a great partner on this and many other projects. Dobil Laboratories oversaw the implementation of the project, which included both the programming and on-site installation and coordination with other trades to make sure that this was a success. So as you walk into the entrance of the West Commons area, you're greeted by two video walls, a 3x1 and a 2x4. Both of these video walls are meant for student engagement and student use, as well as overall galleries of student-related projects. So the 2x4 video wall is an interactive video wall that allows students to collaborate and share content through a wireless immersive Solstice or locally through an HDMI connection, or thirdly, they can use a resident PC that's attached. Right now, this machine is being used for digital signage content, but it can also be made interactive. So through the IR touch bezel that was installed by TSI Touch, that allows us to interact with content on either one or both segments of the screen in a 2x2 format or the 2x4 format. As technology changes and evolves, this space is really going to provide a collaborative environment for students to grow and learn, and the space will grow and learn with them. And we're excited that Dobil will be here along every step of the way.